이사벨 엄마가 언제 진통이 올지 모르기 때문에 미리 이렇게 짐을 다 싸놨어요. 만약 다음 주 월요일까지 둘째가 안 나오면 제왕절개 하러 병원에 가야 돼요. 물론 가면은 가서도 공부를 해야겠죠. 네. 공부합시다. How are you feeling?
Like you need to die?
Something coming up?
Yeah, baby.
Is it tonight?
I don't think so. I think it's gonna be tomorrow night.
Tomorrow? Okay.
Yeah. Did you know I was born dead? I was born dead.
What is that?
When I was born, I wasn't breathing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Anyway, this baby will be fine.
Don't think about bad thing, huh? Isabel's mom started the pain. It's 4:15. It started at 3 o'clock. So I just get ready. And I don't know. I don't think I can sleep, but
Too excited?
yes. 수건 혹시 양수 터지면은 쓰려고 수건도 놔뒀어요. 진통이 5분 간격으로 시작돼가지고 지금 병원 갈 준비하고 있습니다. 얼른 빨리 가야 될 것 같아요. 여기서 병원까지 한 20분 걸리거든요. 그래서 조금 서둘러서 출발해야 될 것 같아요.
You can buy. I think you're probably interested in Jesus Christ. Oh, man.
There's Patricia and her mom. Patricia's getting ready to head off. Things are happening.
Bye.
Is it a full window or just almost full? I think tomorrow's full.
There is a hospital. You can't give up the coffee though. Alright, let's go. Here's the mask. Oh, is that the president? 지금 안에 들어갔는데 언제 나올지 모르겠어요. 아기가 언제 나올지 몰라요. 스케리 키드.
I feel better. Not too bad.
Yeah. So she got an epidural.
Epidural.
She got an epidural, and she feel better
Yes.
already.
And maybe baby will come in an hour.
Anyway,
But yes, having a baby is hard. I now have a lot of respect for all the other mamas out there.
yeah.
You guys rock. I got my ice chips.
Ooh.
There, it's like a real pregnancy. You have ice chips.
This is normally.
Yeah, it's sort of like everyone always gets ice chips. They're in labor. They're not supposed to have water, even though ice turns into water. But I guess because it's slow, right? I can't like eat this whole
Yeah.
thing. My teeth are gonna fall off.
No.
Hey, good morning from Fort Mill, South Carolina. This is Isabelle's Nana and Isabelle's grandpa, and here's Isabelle. Can you wave, Isabelle?
Can you wave at Nana?
Isabelle's watching herself on Isabelle's Daddy, and we're kind of excited today because we think Isabelle's baby sister is coming soon. Isn't that exciting, Jim?
That is exciting. Grandchild number 6.
I don't think Isabelle really knows what's going on, but she knows something's up. She just doesn't know what.
Hey, Isabelle.
Oh, she's running. She broke up the play, kind of.
All right. Oh, look, she's going. Look at her going. Look at her going. Good job, Molly.
Kick it. Oh! Good job, buddy.
So that there's one thing. She's beautiful, Dad. We'll give her a bath later today, okay?
Okay.
Let's see, I need another.
Oh. Can I touch?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm sorry, my hands are.
Trim this right here, just so.
Thank you.
Oh, they said 2 days.
Oh, they said 2 days?
Maybe they're gonna leave me in the other room until tomorrow, but just because they're so busy, they kicked me out. We'll see. Maybe I could leave tomorrow and I feel okay. You're so precious.
자, 여기가 병원 화장실입니다. 헤어드라기도 있고요.
Maybe this one was so bad. But I think it was bad.
We only stayed 1 day and look at the dirty. I couldn't study.
Oh, you can't stay in
And this is food. Okay, I think you can eat. What are you doing?
I have to watch 2 two videos.
Mm-hmm.
It's too noisy. Called "Preventing Abuse Head Drama:
Mm-hmm.
The Dangers of Shaking an Infant."
Mm.
Don't shake your baby. And the other one is how to use your hand to make milk come out of your breast. I think channel is 377.